I'm Cassie Lomas, makeup artist, and I'm going to be showing you today how to get your glow back. So as we get a little bit older, we might notice some changes in our skin. It could get a bit duller, a little bit drier. So I want to take you through some makeup tips to help us bring back that youth. So step one is to moisturise the skin.
Okay, I don't moisturise at all.
Oh no, it's really important that you moisturise. You've got to keep the hydration levels up in your skin, particularly as we get a little bit older. Now, Arnie, you have amazing skin already, but what we might find as you get older is that you do need to increase the hydration levels of your skin. So doing a really good skincare routine with moisturiser first is a perfect base for makeup. I'm also taking the moisturiser down your neck. You don't want to just concentrate on your face, we want to keep the neck looking youthful as well. Now the next step on it after we've moisturised is to put a primer on. So I'm using a flat foundation brush just so I can apply the product, and I'm taking it all over your forehead, and then I'm going to take it just over the T-zone, which tends to be the area where your skin can have a little bit more oiliness. For the base, I'm going to be mixing an Illuminator with the foundation, and I'm using a silk foundation because we want to get that really nice dewy glow. Now, a nice little tip that I like to do is to spray my brush with a setting spray first. I'm going to use a concealer brush actually rather than a foundation brush to begin with, just so that I can have a little bit more control of where the product's going to go. When you use a brush that's a little bit damp, it helps to spread the product a little bit further. So essentially it's watering it down, making it glide over the skin better.
So if I'm going out and I'll just need to be out of the house in about 10 minutes, how would I do this in a rush?
A bigger brush will help, so because I'm using a smaller brush, it will take a little bit longer. But if we were to go for a bigger brush like this, we can literally fill your face in a much quicker amount of time. Step 4 is that we want to brighten the under eye area. Now I like to use a concealer with 2 different tones. Now I'm starting with the darker colour because I want to conceal the under eye darkness, and then I'm going to be using a second tone to go over the top, which is going to neutralise it and bring it back to your natural skin tone. Step 5, I'm going to repeat twice. I'm going to give a spritz of setting spray. This is going to help that foundation really sink and settle into your skin, and then going to finish your makeup and then come back for a final spritz. What I've done there is just put a bit of colour over the eyelid, I've defined the brow, put a little bit of cheek colour on, and I've used the same cheek tint on the lips. And now I'm going to finish off with the setting spray. Let me know what you think. I think you got your glow back.
Goodness, this is absolutely fantastic. I do love it. It's just so natural. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you think you can do it?
I can.
You can do it yourself?
I can, I definitely can.
I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it useful, and we'll see you next time.